Dear customer, welcome to the tutorial on how to use Poduil smartwatch. If you can't receive messages on your Apple mobile phone, please follow the steps in the video to set it up. Firstly, open FitCloud Pro app and enter push notifications. Then enable all reminder function. Switch to your phone settings and go to notifications. Select always or when unlocked and show previews. Then turn on Bluetooth and tap the blue exclamation mark on your smartwatch model to enable sync contacts and share system notifications. Then slide down the screen to find messages and go to notifications and turn on allow notifications. Please keep the notification center mode with alerts turned on. Then go to show previews and select always or when unlocked default. Then slide down the screen to find customize notifications and turn on unknown senders.
Now your smartwatch will be able to receive all the information. If you encounter any problems in the process of using, you can contact us through this mailbox. We will promptly solve your problem. Thank you for watching.